Hi, it's Michael Farr from Farr, Miller and Washington. It's Fed Day in Washington. The minutes get released in a few hours, and I'm not looking for major changes. I'd like to see some changes, but as a long-time and lifelong original Washingtonian, I can tell you that the Federal Reserve typically tries not to do too much just before an election. So while I think they should change their language, I think that they should get rid of the considerable time change. I look for that to go. I'd like to hear them say something that's more data dependent. Charlie Plosser actually voted against the last meeting, was the nay vote there, is indicating that the Fed's moving that direction, but we might have to wait another month. I wouldn't be surprised to see something modified in today's message. There will be no press conference afterwards. So we're not going to listen to Mrs. Yellen get grilled back and forth. The concentration and the importance of that language, therefore, without the press conference, becomes more important. So that statement that we should see at 2 o'clock this afternoon will be important. Overall, markets rebounded and have rebounded nicely. When did markets rebound? Markets rebounded when St. Louis Fed President Jim Bullard came out and suggested, as things were really falling apart and we saw a 9% drop on the S&P 500, Jim Bullard came out and said maybe we should extend quantitative easing, more monetary supply, more monetary easing and accommodation, and markets went straight back up. I'm looking for markets to rely more on balance sheets and earnings and corporate growth than I am on what the Fed can do to manipulate. I'm looking for the Fed to get out of the way at some point and allow markets, free markets, to clear so that those who are willing to sell meet with those who are willing to buy at a certain point, not adjusted or inflated or supported by the Fed. When we get to that point of true price point, then markets, I think, can carry on their own. I don't think that this Fed intervention is sustainable forever. So I'm hoping that today on Fed Day we hear things begin to shift a little bit. We know that the Fed's been important. Markets are holding on fine. Economic data are not horrible. They are improving. But pay close attention to valuations. Remember what I tell you about the fish market. Ignore the screaming and yelling. Pay attention to the price of fish. We're paying attention to the price of stocks we own in our clients' portfolios, and we're looking at them all day. We're on every conference call. We're listening about earnings. We're listening about sales. When we're paying very close attention to those margins. Margins have been very high. So it's a time, I think, to continue to be cautious. Not a whole lot has changed in the past month that saw us through a 9% drop that I thought could have gone further had Bullard not intervened. So, cautious. If you need a little help, give us a call at Farr, Miller and Washington, and let's look at that statement at 2 o'clock today and hope that perhaps the Fed will begin to remove themselves from being such a major player in the equation of free markets. In Washington, D.C., I'm Michael Farr. Thanks for listening again this week.